Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify financial planning for a brighter future. Today we're unraveling the mysteries of 401k plans and how you can maximize your retirement savings. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to boost your retirement plan, this video is for you. Let's dive in. A 401k is a powerful tool offered by many employers that allows employees to save and invest a portion of their paycheck before taxes are taken out. But how does it work? Simply put, you decide a percentage of your salary to contribute, and this amount gets invested into your choice of funds provided by the plan. The real magic of 401ks lies in their tax advantages and potential for compound growth over time. One of the greatest benefits of a 401k plan is the employer match program. It's essentially free money. If your employer offers a match, they will contribute a certain amount to your 401k based on what you put in, up to a certain percentage of your salary. For example, a common match is 50% of your contributions on up to 6% of your salary. Not taking full advantage of this is like leaving money on the table. To truly maximize your retirement savings, aim to increase your contributions consistently. Start by contributing enough to get the full employer match. Then, try to increase your contribution each year or whenever you get a raise. The goal is to eventually contribute the maximum amount allowed by the IRS, which is subject to change each year. Remember, the more you save now, the more comfortable your retirement will be. Here are a few strategies to consider. Start early. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Increase contributions gradually. Boost your contributions annually or with every salary increase. Diversify your investments. Spread your contributions across different types of investments to manage risk and potential returns. Keep an eye on fees. High management fees can eat into your savings over time, so choose your investments wisely. Understanding and leveraging your 401k can seem daunting, but it's one of the most straightforward ways to secure your financial future. By making the most of employer match programs and maximizing your contributions over time, you'll be well on your way to a comfortable retirement. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, happy saving.